Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Toyota 4Runner. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.